Dozens are coming to the defense of an Albany man shot by police last year. They believe police interacted with him without probable cause and the charges should be dropped.
News 10 ABC's Tamara Starr is at the Albany County District Attorney's office with more on their petition.
It's been 1 year ago today when Jordan Young was shot by a police officer 3 times. This afternoon, a group of his supporters delivered a petition with 1,000 signatures to the District Attorney's office,
calling for the District Attorney to drop the charges against Jordan.
But then the office refused to accept the petition. There was a suppression hearing in court on Monday. Jordan Young's legal team stating that the police illegally interacted with him that day. In 2022, police stopped Jordan Young on New Scotland Avenue and say they saw him holding a knife to his dog's throat. Police claim Young charged at police. He was shot in the torso 3 times. Young is now facing a felony charge of menacing a police officer and misdemeanor possession of a weapon.
We're in the process of putting together a legal memorandum of law to submit to the judge, and we'll see where we go from here.
So far, Jordan Young has had 22 surgeries as a result from the shooting. His legal team says that there was significant damage done to the abdominal area, and his supporters say that this is the main reason why the charges should be dropped.
Should he end up going to prison, it may cost him his life. So that's really the crux of why we want David Swords to drop the charges.
Rebecca Sokol says that another issue is that she has been representing more individuals with a mental health diagnosis when they should be receiving the appropriate treatment instead. According to the family, Jordan Young suffers from bipolar and schizophrenia.
You're seeing more of these individuals who are interacting with, again, the likes of me, and they get arrested. And it's really unfortunate that the resources aren't there. There aren't enough treatment centers, there aren't enough therapists, especially centers willing to take on low-income individuals.
Right now, if a family member felt that their loved one needed to go to a treatment center for mental health, the cost can average around $26,000 per month. Earlier this month, Governor Hochul announced a $1 billion plan to increase the capacity for inpatient psychiatric treatment by 1,000 beds and add 3,500 housing units for individuals with a mental illness. But the plan will take up to 5 years to complete. In the meantime, if Jordan Young's charges are not dropped, then the case will go to trial. Reporting in Albany, Tamara Starr, News 10 ABC.